This little vacuum engine came in a box of junk, really, and I saw it in the corner, and I just bought. I had to buy the old box, but it looks pretty well made. It's in a bit of a state, but it's got gas cylinder. It's got the cooling fins. I've had some before that didn't have the cooling fins. It's nice and loose. It's got a little oiler on the top. Wants a good clean. I mean, it's gonna be rusty, but I don't think that'll take much to get that cleaned up. There's even an oiler on the big end. It looks pretty well made. I'm not sure if this is scratch built or comes in a kit. It looks, if it's scratch built, it's extremely well made. And also with it was this little pump. Very unusual little, what it looks like a water pump. It's got a nice little brass valve. Yeah. Well, how about this? What's this in here? That's the pump moves like that. That's the actual pump itself. It's unusual. I've never seen one like this before. Someone's given it a bit of spray. It looks like they've been spraying it up. This was rusty, so that's how these will come up. I've run that on. I've got a wheel on the polisher, which has got something similar to Scotch pad. It's about that abrasiveness, not too bad. And I've run that on there, and it's come up lovely. So, but this all come together. Now, I'm not sure how it was set up, but these 4 screws are exact for that. So I would imagine that fits on there. There was something here, and there was something here. But I saw it, and it looks like a really well made one, especially with a gas cylinder. It's got a valve, you know. You just fill it up with a lighter can, upside down, in there. It looks like it needs a new wick, and the little valve, the little gate that closes, which goes up and down in here, is bent. So I've got to fabricate a new one of those, and then give it all good clean up. But yeah, the pump, intriguing. It's got a nice little ball joint in there. Look at that. Never seen one like that before. But yeah, I quite like that. What they would use a water pump for on a vacuum engine, I don't know. Because obviously it don't need it hasn't got a fuel tank, hasn't got a steam tank, boiler. Well, I'm guessing that went there. It fits exactly on them 4 screws. So it's a bit of a mystery, but yeah, another thing I'm going to take this. There's not too much to take apart on this. It's just a clean up and put a new gate in there. So yeah, it's only a quick little video, but I don't think it'll take long to get this going and clean it up. But something different from a steam engine, but really nice made. Reasonable sized piston in there. Nice and loose, not seized. Needs a good clean, the same as everything. But the pump was what got me. You see, I've seen loads of pumps, but I've never seen one like this before. With that little ball joint in there. Very nice. If anyone has any info on this pump, I'd be interested. Or the vacuum engine. I know they call them flame gulper, flame licker, all the rest of it, but I know it's originally called a vacuum engine. Yeah, I'm going to give this a go. It looks quite nice, and I'll clean it up and put another little video of it running. I'm not sure, I won't be connecting it to that. It's not, the vacuum engine hasn't even got a pulley, but mind you, there is room there for a pulley. But I don't think, even though them 4 screws, little bolts, fit there, I can't see what this was ever connected to that. I really can't see that. But perhaps there was a couple of, you know, something else in line. I know there was something there, but I don't know, they look out of line. So I'm not sure what's going on there. But anyway, yeah, just a quick video. Something different from a steam engine. And it shouldn't take long to get this going. So I'll leave it at that, and I'll put another video on when it's running. Cheers, guys.